I'm not going to lie to you, Vegeta, although the answer may be difficult for you to hear. This is the truth. Goku devoted his life to protecting the lives of others. Because of his selflessness, when he died, he was allowed to keep his body and travel to King Kai's planet. You, on the other hand, have spent your life in pursuit of your own selfish desires. You've caused too much pain. When you die, you will not receive the same reward. Oh well, so be it. That will be all. Get out of here, and hurry! Yes, that's right!
Huh?
Your fight is with me! The others are of no concern to you! Got it? You big bloated balloon freak!
Oh, me not like you! Oh, angry! You talk mean to Boo!
Hurry, Krillin! You have to get away from here right now!
Yeah, right.
Me make you hurt bad! Oh, get big man now! Me want fight!
I think I finally understand you! Let's go!
Huh?
What's Vegeta up to, Piccolo? He's crazy! He won't make it! That monster is gonna eat him alive!
For the first time, Vegeta is fighting for someone other than himself. Controlling his own fate. You are a fool! I'm going to crush you and throw you into the wind! Trunks, Bulma, I do this for you. And yes, even for you, Kakarot.
And so, one of the Earth's greatest warriors has vanished in a blinding flash of light, having made the ultimate sacrifice for the sake of his loved ones. His name was Vegeta, a proud Saiyan prince.